If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, and welcome back to Mail Call. First of all, if you happen to run on my channel, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and that's going to put you in touch with me whenever I do a video. So that would help me more than anything. You know, Patreon, PayPal, they're all good, but I'd rather have a thumbs up or whatever you want to give me to let me know that I'm doing something worthwhile to help you understand your journey with fountain pens, or whatever it may be. So here we go.
Plus the fact he said he's going to beat me severely until he reaches 5,000 subscribers. So please do subscribe.
Yes, I'll put him in chains and beat his brains out. Here we go. Now here we go. It's coming from a friend of mine. Yes, I do have friends. And look what he sent me.
Chocolate.
Yay, chocolate. Mmm. Alright, well that's two of them. And then a package here. And then stuff there. And I just cleaned this table off. Okay, here we go. I wonder what it is. Okay. Here we go. It is one of my favorite vintage pens that I do collect. Parker. You know, Parker is one of them. Schaefer, another Esterbrook. That's the one I'm thinking of? Yeah. The old Esterbrook vintage. So there's a few I do collect. So let's open this up. I got a note. Yay. So here we go. The Parker 51. One of my favorite all-time pens. And that's a pull. And we're thinking it might be a gold nib. Has a little jewel on top. Nice looking, sharp. Then it's got the pencil, the mechanical pencil, which is really, really cool. It's got it in there now. Huh. That is amazing. And we're going to pull this little thing up, and maybe it's going to give me a little bit more information here. Well, back then, this Parker 51 set cost you 15 bucks. You couldn't touch that today with it. Comes with the Parker 51 pen, which would be the fountain pen. And that one sells for $10. And then the Parker pencil, which is really, really cool, sells for $5. Wow, that's really, really interesting. And here's a little pamphlet on it that I must read. And it's going to be interesting, my friends. So, that's going to be that for now, my friends. Until my next review, stay safe, be kind to others, and as always, don't text and drive. Peace and love, my friends. Bye-bye.